The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Improve your love life by making an appointment with Wasatch Medical Clinic. They can help fix your problems with ED. Andrew is here to tell us about their new treatment for ED. Welcome, Andrew. Great to see you.
Hello. Thanks for having me.
We love having you here. Okay, explain this new treatment for ED and how does it work?
Well, it's new because for 30 years men have taken the pill. We know about that. When it comes to ED, we know about the headaches, unfortunately. Then there's the injections. This is a breakthrough. It's called acoustic wave therapy. What it does is deliver pressure waves essentially into the blood vessels, which causes those blood vessels to open up and expand. You can see there, wider blood vessels. You can imagine what that does to life in the bedroom. More blood flow, no side effects, no chemicals, and no pills.
Everybody's winning.
Yes.
Now, when you don't have to take pills, I know we talked about side effects with headaches. You're not pre-planning, which is so nice.
Yeah, sometimes the spouses don't realize the timing game a man is playing. He's taking the pill, skipping a meal so it hits the system faster.
The anxiety of it all.
The performance anxiety. And that doesn't help the ED, by the way. So when we can eliminate that spontaneity that is restored.
You can get it back.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about scientific studies.
Yeah.
Is it backed by that?
It's pretty significant. Go to wasatchmedicalclinic.com. We're now approaching 60 studies. One of the biggest universities in the world, one of the biggest hospitals in America, has vetted this technology, showed it to be safe and effective. They call it the new standard of care for erectile dysfunction.
Well, there you go. Okay, let's talk about the success rate, Andrew. What are people saying? What are you hearing from people?
Well, they tell us how it's a breath of fresh air to not have to take the pill. That's a big one. But the true end result, I think, is the relationship. Couples draw closer. And then I think this affects overall happiness. When things go well in the bedroom, they tend to go well outside of the bedroom.
Your relationship is going to get better. That's so great. Okay, if we get a treatment from Wasatch Medical and it happens to come back, our ED is coming back, what do we do? Well,
it's been called a long-lasting solution. I don't think permanent. So that could happen down the road. You can get another treatment. You can get a tune-up if you want. They're 10 minutes. They're not invasive. There's nothing damaging that can happen. So that's pretty easy. But unlike the pill, it's not something you have to repeat every single time for the rest of your life.
Which is so nice. Andrew, if you don't treat it, will it possibly get better?
Unfortunately, no. I've never seen ED resolve itself. Kind of like our eyesight, it typically gets worse as we age.
And is it just typically in older men?
Well, we treat men in their 20s, 30s, and 40s every day, frankly, in our clinics. We treat men in their 80s and 90s also. So there is no age range here. You're more normal than you think if you're struggling.
Well, and you guys have a special offer, which is so cool too. Tell us about that.
We do. We believe in delivering a lot of value. Call the number on your screen. We'll set you up with our doctor free, the exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound, and the gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. It's all no charge.
Amazing. Get that conversation started. Get that relationship back together, right?
Right.
Andrew, great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.